website, I definitely try to have pictures of every step. A lot of times there's a video that goes along with it. I try to use ingredients that you can go get at your grocery store. Now, obviously, for my competition style tips that I have on my website, they are going to be more advanced and they are going to include ingredients that you may not find at your local grocery store, like phosphates and stuff like that. But for the most part, yeah, like even if you're a new backyard cook and you're like, I see this, I'm interested, I want to compete on the circuit. You think that, hey, everybody on my block says that my brisket is the best, my ribs are the best, let's turn it in and see what happens. And then you get that punch in the face that is not what the judges are looking for. So I want to kind of break that down and help prep you to at least turn in a box that's going to not land you at the bottom, give you some expectations before you go in.